Welcome to our deep dive into turmeric, a golden spice renowned for its incredible health benefits. Turmeric is not just a seasoning, it's a natural powerhouse. Let's begin by exploring its remarkable benefits. Benefit number 1. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound. This can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Benefit number 2. Curcumin is believed to support brain health, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Turmeric is also associated with enhanced joint health and improved digestion. So, how can you make turmeric a part of your routine? There are countless ways to enjoy the benefits of turmeric. Turmeric lattes and teas are a warm and comforting option. You can also use turmeric in curries, soups, and smoothies for a flavor and health boost. However, a word of caution. While turmeric offers a multitude of health benefits, certain individuals should use it with care. People with gallbladder issues or who are at risk for kidney stones should consult a healthcare provider before significantly increasing their turmeric intake. As with any supplement or dietary change, moderation is key. In summary, turmeric is a golden treasure of health benefits. Incorporate it thoughtfully into your diet, and you'll savor its incredible flavor while reaping its numerous health rewards.